What's going on? My name is Steven Munson. You might have just seen or heard about the timestamp that we're doing, and I don't want you to get all caught up in any hype. I'm not a big hype guy. I've been working on this company, Heal, for 5 years, and slowly but surely building a strong foundation that you might have seen it or been a part of it in the past, and then you see everyone's getting involved in a timestamp, and you're like, wait, what is going on here? So just to keep it brief, we've partnered up with $1 billion company to make a major expansion. It's a very unique ground floor opportunity, not with a startup company. I'm talking with one company that's done $1 billion in sales and 10 years old, and another company that's 40 years old, and then us with the Heal team. And we're doing something phenomenal. My bags are packed. I'm actually right here. My bag is right there by the door. I just rented this place just for the day to link up with a couple of friends and before I leave out of Bali. I don't even know why I'm actually leaving. I mean, look at this piece of paradise, right? This is what Bali gets you, in just one night for not much money. And it's just great to be here. So I'm headed to America, and I haven't been there in nearly 2 years. When I first left to go to Portugal, and then I went to Greece and to all over Europe. I ended up in Budapest and then ended up in Bangkok, Thailand. Got my company really just started, I landed with $1 and ended up doing $700,000 in revenue, but it was extremely hard. And the whole time I needed a partner, a distribution partner, because, we're trying to send products around the world and have affiliates and super affiliates and networkers and distributors. It takes a lot of money and a big team, and I need stability, strength, and all of us have speed in our favor. So this is your chance. If you are an underdog and you've always wanted to win, this is your chance. So hit the timestamp, put your name in there before all the details come, because we're gonna make sure that you're leveraged with the right positioning. If you're a big leader in the industry and you face some sort of transition and you're like, I'm just looking for something better. I know I could do better than this. I know things out there that are better, but I need something that's for real, that has, none of this fluff that we keep seeing on the internet. The first time when I decided to start my company, it was because of the disappointments, to build a big team and then to have the carpet pulled out underneath of you. So I wanted to do something that I knew that would never happen again. This is gonna be different than anything that you've ever seen before because of the combination of how we're gonna do it. On the front end, we're gonna have incredible digital products to help people build a real business, to be an actual digital nomad, to travel the world with a remote, reliable, residual, and ready to go business, to have live epic events, to have a powerful community, incredible content with an engine, a commerce machine like you've never seen before. So I encourage you right now just to put your name, your email on the timestamp. Right when that happens, you're gonna be able to get your own little mini system for free. You'll get a link, you'll get ad copy, you'll get banners. You can just start sharing it with friends on Facebook, social media, on Instagram, share it on Pinterest, on LinkedIn, share it to your email list, Twitter, send it to you, however you send things out these days, send it out, have fun. We're building the base. I'm flying right now from Bali to Hong Kong, to New York, to America. I'll be in Orlando, Florida for about a week. I'm from Cocoa Beach, Florida. I'm gonna link up with some friends, do some paperwork, get this puppy off the ground. So and once you put in your name, your position is locked in, okay? Once it's locked in, we're gonna reach back out to you, give you the rest of the details. We'll meet in a community setting together. And from there, it's gonna get really fun, really fast. We've already got 2 events lined up this year, not next year, this year, and we're gonna be flying people in to these incredible event experiences. You are in the right place, at the right time, with the right people. You found this on purpose. So I encourage you right now to take action, put your name, your email in, get your timestamp, begin to share with your friends, and let's have some fun. Excitement is about to begin as an explorer, an adventurer, and on your way to being a world traveler. My name is Steven Munson, signing off. I gotta go get on my flight and head to America. Have a great day.
Begin your journey now.